Hello everybody, today we make pappardelle alla bolognese. The pappardelle alla bolognese I want to make like I was make in South Italy. Next time we make the way I was make North Italy. Now for the ingredients, I got 1 pound pappardelle, I got 1 pound beef, and I got over here glass wine, white wine, I got parsley, I want to use, basil, sea salt, black pepper, got chopped already the garlic. And I got a half onion, and I chop already. And I want to use a little tomato paste. Now for the sauce. Everybody asking me for my omega sauce. I'm not selling my tomato sauce. But I got this sauce. It's really good. And I think everybody like this kind of sauce. Because this sauce, it comes from Parma. Okay, now we start with the sauce. And I put, first thing I put oil. And I want to leave it warm up the oil. Really good. And we cook the meat first to make it nice, dry the meat. Okay, now we put the meat inside. You see the meat, how nice it look? When you do by yourself, I got the machine, and I do by myself the meat. And it looks so beautiful. This we gotta cook when the meat become nice brown, and all the water dry. See, with these parts, it's a nice big. When you put the meat, it's no one place. It's a nice spread all over the place. It works so beautiful, the parts like that. Okay, now, you see now how beautiful it look? No more the water, but you can see only the oil. After that, I like to put the tomato paste now. And we make a nice turn with this, it gives more color for the sauce. We load down the flame a little bit, and now it's time to put the garlic and onion. Okay, this is the garlic and the onion. Onion. Okay, we put now this like that. We make a nice turn, and we leave it cook now the garlic and the onion. Little bit. Okay, now this is done with the garlic and onion. And now wine, white wine. And we leave dry the wine a little bit. Oh, I was to take all the wine. Now it's not inside the pots, it come out, everything to me. Okay, now it's a time for the sauce. Look how beautiful the sauce. Oh, it's so good, so good. Look at this. Okay, now we put salt. Remember, I use the sea salt. The sea salt is gone. The black pepper. And I got my fresh basil over here. And I cut it with a finger like this. Because what happens when you cut like this, you don't lose the juice. When you do with a knife, you lose juice for the basil. It give a good taste. Now this, the meat sauce, I leave it cook for 1 hour. More stay and more taste, it's really, really good. And 1 hour for me, this, it's okay. But you want to leave it stay a little more, hour and a half, fine. It's really good. Make sure the turn once in a while, but make on low. You see, start the bubble, really, really low. And make sure the turn, okay, not got a stick on the bottle. But this kind of the parts, no worry about. Because this parts over here is no stick. But use the wood spoon, it's the best thing. Okay, the water boil, I put salt already, and now we cook the pasta. Pappardelle. All right, now we leave it go down. Okay, now I want to give a nice mix to my pasta. Okay, now the pasta is done. Turn the gas off. We bring this pot over here, a little bit over here, and we gotta drain the pasta. Make sure when you drain the water, kind of want to mess up my stove over here, okay? And look how beautiful, look at the pasta, look. Oh, I want to enjoy it tonight, this Miss Sauce Pappardelle. I pappardelle. Okay, let's put over here now my meat sauce. Ooh, this pappardelle, it comes from Italy, from San Severo, Puglia. It's really close to my city, the Orsara. Okay, now the pasta's ready. And I want to taste my pappardelle. Oh, okay, so good. I like to put little parsley first, a little cheese on the top. Oh, it looks so good. And now, let me taste my pappardelle. And don't forget this. You see Corley? It's my oil baby, the hot pepper. Okay. I want to enjoy it tonight. It's really good. And with my oil baby. Oh yeah, my oil baby. Okay, now I taste my pappardelle, my oil baby, a little pecorino cheese, a nice wine, and I want to say salute e chin chin and everybody. So good. I hope everybody make this pappardelle with my sauce. Egg, the sauce, a special sauce, really good. Thank you very much. Salute e chin chin. Salute. What do you call it in English? No, in Italian we call it agno. In English it's agno.
Wait. Has meat on the trees. Oh. You have some here.
Oh,